ease off a little bit. The reason I did that, okay, yeah, you can get done for assault.
Okay.
Which, you think I'm joking?
I just find it funny.
Slow it.
Which one?
Right, then we've got to go straight ahead and take the bike along. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
Stompert, say hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Let's go and deal with Stompert. Now then, obviously one day you will have to drive in this kind of weather, so, and our test's going on as we speak today at this moment, okay?
Oh, okay. Oh, driving test.
There are driving tests going on, so there's a possibility. Was it 6th of December? Your
Yeah,
test, yeah?
6th,
Yeah, so not too long ago, not too long to go.
Like 2 weeks.
2 weeks time. 1 and 2. Yeah, so it could be same kind of weather then, can it? So let's go, please. Drive for me. I'm not helping you. Refuse. Everything okay?
Yes.
Cool.
My dog shit on the floor just as I was leaving.
As long as you didn't, that's all that matters. But did you take a look outside? I thought, fuck that, I'm not shitting outside.
I came upstairs to my room, shat and left.
Nice.
Jesus.
What kind of dog is it?
British Bulldog.
British Bulldog.
The thing weighs 8 stone.
Wow. My Malamute weighs 8.5 stone. Well, last time, stop. Now then, anything else coming? Now we can go. Oops. Holy shamoly. Right, eyes open, brain switched on, please.
Yes.
If the examiner has to hit that brake during the test, you know what the
Tail.
it is, yeah. There's no getting away from it, okay? Follow the road ahead, please. Because of the conditions, is it going to affect the way you drive at all? How?
It's going to affect the stopping distance of the brakes.
Yes.
Skidding on the road.
Skidding on the road. Now then, are you going to adjust your speed any differently?
Yeah.
Excellent. So you're going to drive faster or slower?
And it reduces visibility.
Correct. Straight ahead at the roundabout, please, towards Bangor. Nice and calm now. Think about what you can see. Weeks time. Driving test. Don't like the word test.
I'm not good at any tests.
Call it an assessment, okay? Basically, you need to prove to the examiner that you're a safe driver, okay? Yeah? And that you can drive on your own. That's all you have to do. Don't have to drive perfectly. DVSA know that it takes years and years and years of experience, yeah, in order to become a better driver. Although judging by some people's driving, you'd never believe it. Answer yes to this question. Are you a safe driver?
Yes.
Are you a legal driver?
Yes.
Congratulations, you passed your test.
Thanks.
Now ease off that gas because you're doing 33 and a 30. You lied to me.
Oopsie.
Oopsie. Now then, the next potential hazard we can see is...
Car parked over there.
Okay. That's good enough. So, ooh, there's a bit of a delivery wars going on, is there? Waitrose versus Tesco. you see a big puddle on the floor, what are you going to do?
Avoid it.
If possible, yeah?
I'll slow down.
Yeah. Because it can affect the steering, can't it? Yeah?
Can it make your wheels spin?
I'll explain aquaplaning after this roundabout. Well done. Aquaplaning is, it turns your car into a speedboat. Okay? Now then, what happens is the tyre leaves the surface of the tarmac and starts skimming above the water. And when that happens, you have no brakes and you haven't got no steering. Basically, you've lost control of the car. Okay? It can start to happen at around 50 miles an hour. Yeah? If you're doing 52 and it's a really light car and you've got awful tyres, you're going to start aquaplaning. Okay? How do you deal with an aquaplane? Any idea? There's only one thing you can't do. No. You haven't got any brakes. That's going to make things worse. Okay? Just take your foot off the gas. Yeah? And let momentum slow down on its own. Yeah? Now then, if you're doing 52 and you start aquaplaning at 50, you're going to get to 50 fairly quick. Yeah? So you're going to recover fairly easily. Now then, if you're doing 70 and you start aquaplaning at 50, yeah, and then you hit a puddle at 70, it's going to take you a lot longer to get down to 50, yeah? So you've lost control for a longer distance.
Yeah.
So don't drive fast in the wet. Obviously it depends on, you know, the weight of the car, the road surface, the condition of your tyre, lots of other things. But if you just think 50 is when it can start happening, okay?
Which one?
Right, then we're going to go straight ahead. Take the bike on. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Did you see it?
Yep.
Okay. Did it affect the steering at all? No.
I was going to
Prosecco. Ease off a little bit. The reason I did that, okay, there was a woman on the left there and a big puddle, okay? I didn't want to splash the woman.
Why not?
Because it's illegal.
Oh.
You can get done for it. Yeah?
What?
If it's unavoidable, yeah, then by all means.
It's illegal.
If you deliberately splash somebody, yeah, you can get done for kind of assault. Okay? No, if you do it deliberately, yeah. So imagine the car behind, yeah, it's got a dash cam, and his anti-Jane is over there, and the car in front deliberately goes for a puddle and splashes anti-Jane, yeah, you can get done for assault. You think I'm joking?
I just find it funny.
Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Go straight ahead.